की खूब और का बातें सी टीवी. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Or darmapi, minwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Khynnah Liberty Higher Secondary School, Khynnah ki school bapau hajawai, dari jis ngau sarong, kelapen kuburam kisan Ngut kisamla Pule, jongka, kiba Pule kedan Mbbs, hapok ke kota jongka sarkar Meghalaya. Ya kini kejing pun kuburam la pelong hakat santri urisau arajar pausau, ban lek kemen, ya kejing lek bah kini kisamla Pule, hak examen ni, kiba pen I kejing beteng jongka school, ban lek bah, hak ban sam jing nang jing start, hakat thang di lom jain tia. Kini kisan Ngut kisamla Pule kidai Kitbok pator wiyo yakani school Sanspak Naipau Bulit Pule Hamolana Azad Medical College New Delhi Uda Uni Therbor Pasi Ubiyo Sauspak Prapunyo Ban Pule HGR Medical College Hagwalior Madhya Pradesh Ucharmi Suchang Sauspak Nyo Pulai Barunle Chakarim Sa Imphal Kade Tiadiam Plane Kabayo Yaka Score Kaba Sauspak Nepopra Kan Pule Hadar Banga Medical College Habihar Bakawakini ri Manki Shulai Lais Pak Prapunrio Kebenit Pule Hanigrams Hospital Shillong. Bro Ngut Kitbok Paruda Uni Lakran Hagan Gajingalang Dakbayaro Yaka School Badikinong Hikai Bila Ai Omtang Gajinang Jing Start Hak Pule Puthi Henry Wat Gajing Hikai Jing Em Bikinjo Yakatong. Kilakin Tui Kiprasamla Pule Bentre Shitam Hagajing Em Pule Puthi Dakapin Pau Yakajing Don Kam Jong Gajing Aisha.
This place has not only been the place where we accumulate academic knowledge, but also learn valuable lessons that we could put forth in the days to come. The teachers here, ones that I've encountered with, has been but blessings beyond I ever ask, and my relationships with them are ones that I'll cherish for the rest of my life. And I pray that as they've had an imprint, put an imprint on me, I pray that the others will also see them with those eyes as they are continuing their very best in helping them. While we are celebrating today 7, our journey is one filled with challenges and perseverance. After completing our 11 and 12, we decided to take on the difficult decision to take a drop year. And this year, we rather have a diverse set of achievers who persisted in taking not only one drop year, but as much as needed. And I can confidently say that looking back, it is the foundation laid by the school and the previous ones we've been to that made us believe we could succeed.
You will face a lot of challenges, especially if you are new to this journey. It's almost like a completely different when you were back in class 11 and 12 as well. But for most also, the most important is if you have to be patient, especially in your mock test as well. You might not get the score that you were expecting, but later by later you will get through it.
In fact, 2-3 of them used to go every year in the past. And this year we have 5 students who had passed their class 12 from North Liberty and have been selected again. So I thought it would not be right if we don't start felicitating them. Because you bring honor not just to your family, but to the school, to me as a principal, and you can be a great source of motivation to your juniors. Am I right? You are leading the way for them to follow. In fact, I made sure that the class 10, class 11 and class 12 students are here because we are looking up to you to bring more laurels to your family and to the school in the coming years. Proud of the teachers of North Liberty. It's because of their hard work and dedication that students of this quality walk out of the school. So can we all give a round of applause to the teachers? Good students will not come out if there are no good parents. We need good parents to have good students. Am I right or wrong? These These 5 students are going to study MBBS. Within a month or two's time, they'll be studying about genes. I don't know, you know or not you know what I'm talking about. Huh? We won't get these students if they don't have those genes from their parents. Am I right or wrong? You get to give parents come tip your self taught, your science from self taught. Uyo agi kon ki ustad ki uyo medical em kami ki bagi pale ki wakat ki. To I start science on ki kejing start kejing try bit kejing chlul one ko here paten ko nagi bagi pa. Nikti genes ki em ha met yung gi bagi pa. Lagi ki kon de yo ki kon gi ustad. Don't worry about whether you'll pass in your promotion exam or not. Am I right or wrong, students? I always mention, passing your promotion is, leave it to me. Put the burden on me, not on you. Your first burden is to understand the concepts and apply whatever you learn in class 11. Because you don't have much time in class 11. When you come to class 12, forget all about your class 11. Concentrate on everything that's being taught in class 12. Play around with few mock tests which are available online. Play around with them. But don't get deviated from your target, that is your board exams. Do well in your board exams. Go on to your entrance exam and leave the results to the Lord. Let God take care of your results. But do not be disheartened if you are not selected in the first year. You have the drop year that was mentioned, or the year after your board exams. You have a full year to start, to prepare, to reflect, to apply what you have learned. That is what I kept drilling into your minds.
I have experienced whenever I went to the villages and the people complaining that we don't have money, we don't have the facilities to go and get treated outside of the state, which is the case in many villages. Not only villages, even our people of Joai town, we still have to go outside of West Jainti Hills district to other places to look for quality healthcare. So, because of the success of North Liberty Higher Secondary School, I had prepared a speech before I came here, 10 minutes granted before I came here, but I will now focus on these 5 who have decided to drop a year and pursue their NEET exam preparations for the whole year. It paid off, right? I'm sure many must have said, oh my goodness, you are losing 1 year. So my advice to you as a doctor who has graduated, right, from medical college is that every class that you have, think of it as, how am I going to use what I learned from this class in my medical practice? Each and every class. Pay attention to every class. No matter what you say. You are saying, I want to be a dermatologist, I want to be a psychologist, I want to be a psychiatrist, I want to be a neurosurgeon, I want to be a surgeon, gynecologist. Nothing should stop you from paying attention to every class that is taught in medical college. Sometimes, sometimes we go into it thinking that, no, I'm going to go because this is what I'm interested, I will not pay attention to that, I will not pay attention to that, right? But please, don't go in a selective manner. pay attention to every topic. Romans 8:28, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. One Kitbok, Dauni, Chanmi, Dithyadiam, Wakani Manki, you have been called with a purpose. Okay? You have been chosen with a purpose. Go forth and shine and be the beacon for the people of West Giant Hills. We are looking forward to quality doctors who will not say no to come and work in West Giant Hills. We will look forward to having such quality healthcare in West Giant Hills that no one will have to go outside of West Giant Hills to seek healthcare, and we will be able to give all the high-end tertiary care in our own district. Can we dream that big? Where did I get that dream? See this envelope? It's stamped 22nd March 2008. This letter was sent to me by Dr. Wayne Bigelow from California, USA. He was an inspiration to me. When I first started out in pre-med, going to medical college in pre-med, he sent me this. Look, it's very old. You see it? He sent me this. And I read it and I highlighted it. Do you see the highlights? Pink. You see the highlights? Pink. Right? All the lines? I highlighted it. And I felt that I should share quotes from this because this was what I read when I first set out to be a doctor, and quotes from something that is in here and conclude my speech.